Hey there folks, what is going on? Welcome back to the channel and another video. Yes, it's that time of the month again, Yate American car meet. Now, sad thing is this is the last one of the year, so we had to come up here because we're expecting a busy one, seeing as it is the last one of the year and everyone's going to want to come out before it ends. So yeah, hope you enjoy this one. Let's go and have a look around. Another one of our favourites from this year is this Volvo Amazon. This is absolutely gorgeous. Lovely condition as well. Need for speed. Yeah. How lovely is that? Very cool, very nice. It's like the best of the American meets that we've been to this year. You know, there's all the cars are familiar. There's a couple here that we haven't seen before, but yeah, it's all the cars that we sort of admire from the year. So yeah, really, really good to sort of round the year off, really. Right, we still have another car park to go and visit, so let's go. And another one from the one of our favourites of the year is the Camaro SS 454. How lovely is that? And the Galaxy 500. Tell you what, I am taking a liking to these. I do like that very much. This is another one that got my attention this year, the Vauxhall Cresta that we saw at the Down End meet actually. This is a lovely looking thing. Really do like that. Not seen this one here before, obviously he's leaving a little bit early. Yeah. That's an Instagram tag for Toon Stag. Go and give him a follow. That is really cool. Do like that Mustang GT. Selection of van life at the back. We've got a Dodge, we've got the Chevy, and we've got the Econoline next door. Yeah, Chevy van, Dodge van, and the Ford Econoline. Another one of my all-time favourite cars is the Citroen SM, and over there is another one of my all-time favourite cars. A cheeky little MG hiding here. Didn't actually quite make it in. We'll have a look anyway. Oh, MGs always intrigue me. Maybe something to include on the Trading Up series. Very cool. Very cool thing. Definitely an ideal starter classic. Oh, nice. The GMC Army truck. So I haven't seen this one actually this year, I don't think. Well, not here anyway. I think we've seen it around at some other meets, but yeah, this was one of our favourites from last year. This one, yeah, still awesome. I love they got the barbed wire on the side as well. How awesome is that? Now check out the hearse. It's got to be one of the Cadillac King cars, hasn't it? Surely. Well, it certainly says it in the back. Go on, have a look at this. How nice is that? It even comes equipped with coffin as well. That is so cool. How lush is that? Very nice. Well, yet another great meet, and what a great way to end the season for these guys. Yet another fantastic display of cars, some great folk to talk to, and it's just the best place to be at the moment. We love this event, and we cannot wait until next year. Yeah, like I said, we both absolutely love this event, and we love the community as well. It's such a great community. Everyone's really friendly and always wants to talk to us, and a lot of people have actually subscribed to the channel from us doing the Yate American car videos. So we want to thank each and every one of you for supporting us and encouraging us to come back and keep on filming and doing the photography as well. So from myself, from Mrs. Flatcap, and from everybody at the Yate American Car Meet, thank you very much for watching. Take care, and we'll see you all on the next one. Ta-da.